This is part 3 of the coronavirus special. Today I wanted to address some issues that have come up, and I also wanted to show you how to use the containers that I mentioned in the last video. Stuart is my cameraman, he's the IT guy. He hates everything to do with the garden, mud, insects, worms, you name it, he's horrified. But when he was editing the last video, he brought up some interesting questions.
I doubted that you could grow so many things in such small pots and trays.
Right.
Because you need big open fields to grow anything.
So you don't think we can grow things?
No.
Right, well, one of the things I suggested we grew things in was something like this. Do you doubt this?
The oat milk box.
Why do you doubt that?
I doubt that very much.
Well, what I suggested was that you grew some radish in it.
Yes.
Right, Stuart, I think we need to make you plant these things up so you can prove to yourself once and for all what you can grow. So fill your pot up with that. Nothing bit you.
Spilled.
Went on your arm, did it? Never mind. Not too much, but just a little bit more. That's it. You don't want big lumps in it. So this is the seed.
I thought I knew where the radish was, but I think I'm thinking of a carrot.
It was a spider.
See, that's the thing about the garden, is anything can be hanging down from the sky. Right,
Now, can you see them?
yes, I can.
Can the camera see them?
No, it can't.
That's a radish seed. Take a pinch with your other hand
Okay.
and just sprinkle. All the way along. Just spread it out a bit. That's it. Now that's what they should look like when they're sown. You need to sprinkle just a little bit more soil. Right, so when they're all covered up,
Okay.
that'll do.
Yep.
Just press it lightly
Okay.
so they're in contact, and that's fine. You've got your reflector all ready for the sunlight.
Why is that important?
Because otherwise the seedlings just grow like that towards the light.
Oh.
Whereas if the sun hits that, it beams it back down so they grow
That's very
round
clever.
and round. So that's it done. All right, Stuart. It's now 1 week later. Do you think anything's grown?
No, absolutely not.
Well, it wouldn't have done if you'd looked after it, because how many times have you watered it?
To be honest, I forgot all about it.
Yes. So, first of all, I want to show the camera what has happened. This is exactly 1 week after sowing. Now then, you turn it round and have a look.
Okey-dokey. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
What do you think of that?
I'm genuinely surprised. That is amazing, actually, yeah. Wow.
Have they grown?
They have. They have grown.
There's still more there to come up.
So, like, how long would that be before I could actually start eating it?
Probably another 2 weeks.
Another 2 weeks?
Yeah.
That is fascinating.
So
Absolutely
within a
amazing.
week, they had come through. They
Yeah.
actually come through quicker than those I put in the small bed.
That is incredible. I never thought you could grow anything in such a tiny space as that, but there it is. It's proof. So, wow.